Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the Battery Shop. Today we'll show you how to replace the 12-volt battery in this 2013 Chevy Volt. The battery is actually located right here in the back of the vehicle. It's fairly easy to get to, but we always recommend you check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. The first step is to lift the carpeted floorboard and move it out of the way. Then, loosen the 4 fasteners for the rear storage compartment using a 10mm wrench. Now we can remove the rear storage compartment, but to make it easier, remove any tools and equipment first. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to remove the battery vent hose from the side of the battery. Then, loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable using your 10mm wrench. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. And set it off to the side. Now we can remove the protective cap for the fuse block. And remove the fuse block fastener using a 13mm wrench. And then remove the positive battery cable and wrap it in a shop towel to prevent it from touching any metal on the vehicle. Now we can loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable using a 10mm wrench. Now, using a screwdriver, release the retainer clips. Now we can lift the battery's fuse block off the battery's positive terminal and replace the cap. And set the entire assembly off to the side. The next step is to loosen the fastener for the battery's hold-down strap and bracket. You'll need a 13mm wrench for this. And remove the strap and bracket. Now we can remove the old battery and reinstall the replacement battery. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery terminals. And cable connections. The next step is to reinstall the battery's hold-down strap and retainer block. and tighten the fastener. The next step is to reinstall the positive cable and fuse block onto the battery's positive terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. Then tighten the fasteners. And replace the protective cap. Next, reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the battery's vent hose into the side of the battery. Be sure to install the vent plug into the side of the battery, opposite the vent hose tube. This can be done after the battery has been installed. The vent plug should come with your battery. Now we can reinstall the rear storage compartment. And reinstall the 4 fasteners. Then replace the carpet floorboard. And we're done. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.